You've been told to hustle, grind 16 hours a day, be the first in, last out, drink black coffee, and bleed success. Ha, yeah, I fell for that too. Until I realized the people making real money, they weren't working harder. They were just playing in the right game. In this video, I'm breaking down how I doubled my income by working half the time. Stick around, because some of these mindset flips are going to feel illegal. You could be the smartest person in the room, but if that room pays peanuts, guess what you're getting? A peanut salary. I worked at a bank for years. I did the work, crushed the numbers, asked for raises. You know what I got? A pat on the back and the same paycheck. Then I switched jobs. Same skills, same me, boom, 30% pay bump. It hit me. It's not about being better. It's about being in a room that values what you bring. Ask yourself, are you getting paid what you're worth or just what your room allows? The same skill set placed in the right market can pay double, even triple. So don't just ask, how do I work harder? Ask, where do my skills get rewarded the most? Because that's the game changer. So we all know Steve Jobs, right? Black turtleneck, iPhone in hand, black turtleneck, iPhone in hand. Changed the world. But here's what nobody tells you. He didn't work like a robot. He worked with leverage. And that is what I call the Steve Jobs rule. See, Jobs didn't build every iPhone with his hands. He built a system that built millions of phones. That's leverage. Most of us, we trade hours for dollars. But Jobs, he traded ideas for empires. Focus is about saying no. Steve was brutal about it. He killed off dozens of Apple products just to make one masterpiece, the iPhone. Most broke Gen Zs, they're doing 10 things halfway. Drop shipping, YouTube, crypto, Instagram. No direction, just noise. But Jobs would say, pick one thing, master it, then multiply it. He created the App Store. That created passive income. That made Apple richer without Jobs lifting a finger. Now imagine this for you. You're not just making a YouTube video. You're building a brand. You're not just selling a digital product. You're building a store with automated funnels. That's compounding. That's leverage. Warren Buffett once said, if you're working a job, that's fine. But you can't stop there. Build a side hustle. Start investing. Create a digital income stream. Because the moment your boss says you're fired, your life shouldn't collapse. The Elon Musk rule. Elon Musk doesn't think in terms of months or years. He thinks in decades. He asks, what will the world need 10 years from now? That's how he built Tesla, SpaceX, and all his companies. If you want to build real wealth, don't just look for what pays you today. Look for what will pay you tomorrow and 10 years from now. Train your mind to think long-term. Don't just chase quick money trends. Ask yourself, if I start this today, will it still matter 5 years from now? Invest with vision, not just numbers. Instead of only buying the hot stock of the week, look for industries that are shaping the future: renewable energy, digital education, healthcare tech, artificial intelligence. Even if they grow slowly, they compound massively over time. Rule number 4, the Jeff Bezos rule. Focus on what doesn't change. Bezos once said, I often get asked what will change in the next 10 years. The more important question is what won't. People will always want convenience.
Thank you.
People will always want cheaper, faster, better. That's why Amazon dominates. So ask yourself, what need will never go away? Solve that, and money will follow. Rule number 5, the money rule nobody teaches in school. Here's the truth. In the US, money flows to those who know how to multiply it. An employee works for money. A business owner builds systems. An investor lets money work for them. If you want to be free, you need to move from the left side of the cash flow game to the right, from employee to entrepreneur, from spender to investor. A job might cover your bills, but it will never buy you freedom. Real freedom comes when you start making smart money moves, the kind that Steve Jobs, Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, and Jeff Bezos built their empires on. Follow their rules, apply them in your own life, and you'll stop living by someone else's playbook and start writing your own rule book for wealth. It's about working smarter, thinking bigger, and taking control of your future. Because at the end of the day, the right way to make money isn't about grinding harder. And if you found value in this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next strategy that could change your financial future.